A reflection on mental health recovery. Mental health recovery is something that changes you. It's not a one-time event or a destination you reach, but more of a journey that you keep moving through. People can recover from all kinds of mental health struggles, anxiety, depression, trauma, you name it. But the thing is, it's not a simple, predictable path. It ebbs and flows. You'll find that recovery isn't something you finish and tick off your list. It's more like a cycle. Sometimes you're in a place where things are going well, you're managing, coping, even thriving. But then, out of nowhere, something might come up that pulls you back. A trigger, a stressful event, or just a shift in your own mind. That's when you realise recovery is about having the strength to pick yourself up again and again, each time a little wiser. Courage and resilience are at the core of mental health recovery. It takes real courage to face the hard days, to confront your thoughts and emotions head on. It's not easy to acknowledge when you're struggling, and it takes even more strength to ask for help or to start making changes. Resilience is what carries you through. Recovery requires building that inner resilience, not just to bounce back, but to keep moving forward each time you face a setback. And resilience isn't something that just happens. It's something you build piece by piece as you learn to cope with your challenges. But recovery doesn't happen by chance. It takes planning. You can't rely on hoping things will just get better. You need a recovery plan. What does that look like? It's about knowing what works for you and what tools or strategies help you when you're struggling. It might include therapy, medication, mindfulness practices, or support from friends and family. Your plan could involve simple things like getting enough rest or taking a break when you need it, but also more significant steps like having a trusted person to talk to or reaching out for a professional support when things feel overwhelming. It's about creating a system of support that you can turn to when the waves of life get rough. Recovery is about recognizing that progress is always possible. You'll keep learning new ways to take care of yourself, finding what helps you stay steady, and using that knowledge when things get hard. And each time, you get better at managing the cycle, because that's what recovery is. It's cyclical. You may find yourself revisiting old challenges, but each time you do, you're better equipped to handle them. There's a kind of freedom that comes when you realise you have a plan and the resilience to manage whatever comes your way. You start to trust yourself more, knowing you have what it takes to keep moving forward, even when things get tough. So if you're on this recovery journey, know that it's not about being perfect or never struggling again. It's about building the courage to keep going, the resilience to face whatever comes, and having a plan in place for when things feel heavy. Recovery isn't a final destination, it's an ongoing process of growth. And with the right support and plan, you can keep moving through it stronger every time.